Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Monday, August 1st, 2022. It is 5:22 and 46 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, esophageal cancers. So let's hop to it here. The new link found that connects cell signaling pathway to development of esophageal cancers. Barrett syndrome. Researchers believe pathways of potential therapeutic target for gastroesophageal cancers. Date July 28, 2022. Source: Case Western Reserve University. A team of researchers believe they have identified a cell signaling pathway responsible for the development of esophageal adenocarcinomas, an aggressive form of esophageal cancer that has gradually become more common even in younger people. But such dire data has long driven researchers to try to understand the roots of the disease, but they have discovered little until now. The incidence of esophageal cancers has increased several-fold over the last few decades, making it the most common esophageal malignancy in the U.S. Like gastric and pancreatic cancers, these are highly aggressive malignancies that can be resistant to treatment with dismal survival rates and with lack of effective targeted therapy. The new research on gastroenterology explains an important molecular signal known to scientists as the FNB2, EphB2, tyrosine kinase pathway is activated during the development of esophageal adenocarcinoma and contributes to cancer growth. The findings also show that the EphB2 pathway appears to control the growth of cancer cells while also regulating the behavior of normal esophageal cells. From a molecular standpoint, EphB2 induces the levels of a well-recognized pro-cancer gene called CMYC. One mechanism by which EphB2 seems to affect MYC levels is through its direct interaction with a protein known as MYC-B2, which is a suppressor of MYC activity. And this is the first discovery, to our knowledge, that demonstrates EphB2 regulation of MYC and its physical interaction with MYC-B2. By analyzing normal, pre-cancer, and cancerous biopsy samples with RNA sequencing, the researchers found that EphB2 signaling is hyperactivated in nearly all instances of esophageal adenocarcinomas, as well as a condition called Barrett's esophagus. Barrett's esophagus occurs when the lining of the esophagus becomes damaged by acid reflux, resulting in the replacement of esophagus cells with the intestinal type cells. And this condition is linked to an increased risk for developing esophageal cancer, according to researchers. The scientists believe the EphB2 pathway is an attractive therapeutic target, and suppressing its activity in cancer could be a beneficial treatment strategy for these cancers. The immediate goal is to explore and develop EphB2 chemical inhibitors and or EphB2 targeting immune cell-based strategies, and to test their efficacy in preclinical esophageal as well as gastric cancer models, followed by transitioning to human trials. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.